For Shaun the Sheep, he's Shaun the Sheep. He even mucks about with those who cannot speak. Keep it in mind, he's one of a kind. Oh, life's a treat for Shaun the Sheep. He's Shaun the Sheep, he's Shaun the Sheep, he's Shaun the Sheep, he's Shaun the Sheep. He doesn't miss a trick or ever lose a beat. Perhaps one day you'll find a way to come and meet with Shaun the Sheep. He's a brave, courageous leader and he's not a raw recruit. He's a friendly kind of geezer who's remarkably astute. He's a father of invention with a charismatic knack for causing havoc in the pasture
Behind the farmer's back.
Whoa. He's Shaun the Sheep. He's Shaun the Sheep. He's not afraid to make the intellectual leap. For brains and guile, with a wink and a smile, you can't compete.